It has 8 times more vitamin C than an orange, twice the antioxidant power of acai berry, and around 17 times that of pomegranate. The humble Indian gooseberry, commonly known as Amla, truly deserves its superfood status. It's not hard to see why so many people are replacing their morning coffee with a glass of Amla juice. But if you need more convincing on the benefits of this fruit in juice form, stay tuned. We'll be covering everything you need to know in this video. 1. Relieves asthma and bronchitis. If the weather wreaks havoc on your health, Amla juice can be your savior. Drinking a concoction of Amla juice and honey twice a day can ease asthma and bronchitis complications. It also reduces the incidence of chronic cough and allergic asthma. 2. Burns fat. If you're looking to lose weight, drinking a glass of Amla juice on a daily basis should help you reach your goals. Amla juice can fight obesity by enhancing protein synthesis, which in turn helps burn unwanted fat. It can create a positive nitrogen balance and reduce cholesterol levels, thus minimizing the risk of heart attack. 3. Relieves constipation. Amla juice does wonders for your digestive system. It can relieve many stomach-related disorders such as constipation caused by piles. It also regulates bowel movements and treats chronic constipation. If you'd rather sort things out naturally, try Amla juice before resorting to medication. 4. Blood Purifier. Why spend thousands on sugar-filled detox drinks in the market when you can make your natural detoxifier right at home? Amla juice acts as a blood purifier by flushing out toxins from the body. Regular intake of this juice purifies your blood and increases hemoglobin and red blood cell count. This means you can bid goodbye to stubborn acne and other disorders. 5. Can improve eyesight. Regular intake of Amla juice should help you maintain your eyesight, and it's also thought to control the onset of cataracts. Additionally, Amla juice can counter problems like reddening, itching, or watering of eyes. 6. Beneficial for the heart. It's a known fact that stress and cholesterol affect your heart's health. Amla juice is a great remedy for heart problems as it helps keep heart muscle strong, ensuring that the heart can pump blood around the body easily. 7. Controls diabetes. Having Amla juice with turmeric powder and honey twice a day is said to control diabetes. The chromium present in Amla has been found in studies to help manage blood sugar levels. It also stimulates the secretion of insulin. 8. Cooling agent. When you're out in the sun, all you want is to grab a chilled drink to cool you down. But wait, before you reach for the fruit juice, or worse, the cocktail, why not go for something that contains 20 times more vitamin C than orange juice? This vitamin strengthens the tannins that are needed to shield heat and light. Amla juice also controls body heat, acting as a shield and protecting you from the sun's harmful UV rays. 9. Soothes inflammation. The anti-inflammatory properties of Amla juice help reduce the swelling of joints caused by arthritis. By reducing inflammation, it also protects tissues all over the body, including those in our internal organs. 10. Enhances oral health. Garlic lovers, listen up. Daily intake of Amla juice strengthens your teeth and wards off bad breath, so there's no need to cut out your favorite food entirely. Gargling Amla juice with water can also provide relief from painful mouth ulcers. 11. Treats insomnia. Is insomnia making you groggy in the mornings? Try Amla juice, which is said to be an effective remedy for insomnia. Add a bit of coarse nutmeg powder to fresh Amla juice and drink up. This is supposedly all it takes to help some people get a good night's sleep. 12. Improves bone health. With time, our bones become brittle and weak. Amla juice can make your bones healthier and stronger by lowering the cells that are responsible for breaking down of bones. 13. Soothes menstrual cramps. If you've tried every remedy suggested to prevent period cramps and resorted to taking over-the-counter medication, it might be worth going back to treating the remedy naturally. Try Amla juice, which is known to relieve menstrual cramps as a result of its vitamin E and omega-3 fatty acid content. 14. Treats infections. The antibacterial and astringent qualities of Amla juice are thought to help in treating even severe infections. Amla juice is rich in vitamin C, which helps increase the number of white blood cells in the body, which means better immunity. 15. Powerful antioxidant. Amla juice is rich in minerals and vitamins, making it a powerful antioxidant. It protects your body from oxidative stress by eliminating free radicals. It fortifies the liver, strengthens the lungs, nourishes your brain, improves muscle tone, regulates your urinary system, and a whole host of other things. 16. Lightens complexion. The antioxidants and vitamin C present in Amla juice have been found in research to brighten the skin and lend it a natural glow. Have Amla juice with honey or apply it as a face pack for a lighter complexion and blemish-free skin. 17. Anti-aging benefits. Aging is a natural process that we should all embrace to some extent, but who doesn't want to look younger? Amla juice helps maintain the youthful look of skin because of its high antioxidant content. Vitamin C in particular keeps your skin young-looking for a longer time. Regular intake of Amla juice delays the effects of premature aging, such as fine lines, wrinkles, and dark spots. 18. Treatment of acne and pimple scars. Amla juice is a great natural treatment for acne and pimple scars. Try it for yourself. Just apply a paste of amla and leave for 10 to 15 minutes on the affected area. This should tighten the spots and reduce the occurrence of pimples. As a natural blood purifier, amla fights the microorganisms in the skin, keeping skin infections, acne, and pimples at bay. 19. Strengthens hair. Sick of dealing with weak, brittle hair and split ends? Amla juice strengthens your hair follicles and encourages hair growth. You can apply a mixture of amla and lemon juice on your scalp and leave it on for 20 to 30 minutes. Then rinse off with warm water. This should strengthen your hair from the roots and give it a shine. 20. Scalp Cleanser. If you're looking for an easy way to cleanse your scalp without spending money you don't have on expensive products, Amla juice is the answer. Add a few drops of Amla juice to a bowl along with an egg. Then beat the ingredients together to form a thick liquid. Massage this solution into your hair. The Amla juice will mask the smell of eggs and make your hair shiny and silky. So how do you prepare Amla juice? Today, Amla juice is commercially available in health food stores, but there's nothing like homemade. Of course, you'll need to get your hands on amla fruit, which might not be possible where you live, but if it is, listen up. Here's a simple process to make amla juice at home. You'll need 1 cup of amla, sometimes it's called Indian gooseberry, cut into pieces. A pinch of cardamom powder. This is optional for a glass of amla juice. Start by washing and drying the amla chunks, then place them into a blender. Add half a cup of water, then blend until the mixture is smooth. Strain the liquid to remove any seeds or chunks, then pour into a glass and serve immediately. You can add some cardamom powder for a little extra taste if you like. It's completely up to you. Right from its pulp to the seed, every part of amla fruit comes packed with so much goodness that by including it in your everyday diet as a simple morning juice, you can keep yourself in peak health. From warding off ailments to promoting hair growth and young-looking skin, amla's benefits are endless. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you'll enjoy our next video on the amazing benefits of celery juice. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.